Welcome back. Many pregnant women are questioning whether or not to get the coronavirus vaccine. Right now, there is limited data on how safe it is for them. Pregnant women are at a significantly greater risk for severe COVID. CBS News senior medical correspondent Dr. Tara Narula spoke with a pregnant nurse about why she decided to get the vaccine.
Megan Garibay is a registered nurse and infection preventionist at Comanche County Memorial Hospital in Lawton, Oklahoma. She's 8.5 months pregnant and received her first dose of the Pfizer vaccine last month.
I've got a much higher chance of suffering severe consequences or even death from COVID.
Garibay had a mild reaction from the vaccine and will receive her final dose today.
Did you initially have any hesitation about getting the vaccine while pregnant?
Initially, I would say there was some hesitation just because, at the very beginning, I kind of felt like everyone else did, that the vaccine may have been a little bit rushed, but once I had the data in my hands, that hesitation really went away.
Garibay says that the clinical trial research done on non-pregnant women convinced her to get the vaccine, but there is no safety or efficacy data on how pregnant women and nursing mothers will respond to these vaccines because they were excluded from clinical trials. The CDC says pregnant women can choose to get vaccinated, and the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists advises that COVID-19 vaccines should not be withheld from pregnant women. But for 31-year-old Taiwo Odesanya, the lack of data concerns her. She's 35 weeks pregnant with her first child and says she wouldn't get the vaccine if it was offered.
We don't know what long-term effects even look like for pregnant women as a whole. So we certainly don't know what long-term effects look like for, fetuses.
Dr. Laura Riley is an OB-GYN at New York Presbyterian. She says even with the lack of data, the benefits of the vaccines are very likely to outweigh the risk of COVID-19.
The biology of the way this vaccine works does not make us think in any way that this vaccine is going to be any less safe or any less efficacious in pregnancy.
Dr. Tara Narula, CBS News.
The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists encourages pregnant patients who get the COVID vaccine to sign up for the CDC's safety monitoring program. And sons born to overweight mothers may face an increased risk of infertility. That's according to a new research conducted in Denmark. The study included over 9,000 adult sons and daughters, of which about 9% were diagnosed with infertility. It shows sons whose mothers had a BMI over 25 before they were pregnant were nearly 1.5 times more likely to be infertile than sons of mothers with normal range weight. There is no link among daughters.